Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. So this is something you don't get every day. It's a Hot Wheel Elite model and it came in this box. Uh, if you haven't seen my last video, you might have not seen what's in the box. So it's this Toyota Land Cruiser. A few things about Hot Wheels Elite. I think, as the name suggests, they are light special, so they don't normally sell in the store. And this one is really special because it's a Light 64 mod shop, so it comes with a bunch of mods. This is my first one. I've never had something like this, so let's open it up and see how does it look. Opening the box, and it comes with this kind of packaging. Trying to get it out. Let's see what's in there. So you can see there is the Toyota Land Cruiser, and then there are a bunch of accessories with it. You can see that, and more accessories right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you a basic review of this casting right now, and then maybe make another video with all the accessories, putting on all the accessories and trying them, because if I do like in one video, it's going to be such a long video. So I'm going to move the accessories aside and I'm going to focus. Oh, there's something else at the bottom I missed. So there is this card with mod shop instructions, basically. So it shows all the instructions here. You can see how to change everything or add stuff on it. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's review this one and like all the stuff I've got in this box, and then we'll make another video just to show how does it look with all the accessories on it. I don't want it to be a long, really long video. This one. Okay, let's have a quick look. So here's a quick look at the casting, and you can see it has got some nice details even without any accessories added. And it's a long wheelbase version, so 5-door rather than 3-door, and I think it looks absolutely good. I will show you what the accessories are, but then not deep dive into it. Let's first deep dive into the car and move to the accessories. So here is the 1982 custom Toyota Land Cruiser FJ45 Troopy. Goes along with it's, I think, meant to carry troops. Paint looks awesome, blue and white, looks really good. Now there are a lot of good details on this one, so let's start from the front. In the front, you can see you've got nicely detailed front end with Toyota badge, headlamp, a bumper with tow hooks, winch, turn indicators, and a number plate which says, zoom into it, 82 Cruiser. You've got nice detailed front end, you've got both the mirrors, windshield wipers, again nicely detailed, latches on the hood, and some more stuff which carries all the good, like all the details you can actually want on a smaller diecast like 164. Now moving to the driver's side, it's actually a left-hand drive, not a right-hand drive version. So again, on the driver's side, you've got some nice details. You can see those wheels which look really good with those rubber tires. White wheels look nice. You've got door handles detailed, you've got the trim around the window painted black, fuel filler. This is small, I think it was for get some air, with small door there, and there's a badge on the hood, actually on the fender, and the two-tone paint continues. Even the mirrors have some reflective paint on it to make it look good. And if you look closely, there is a roll cage inside. There's no glass in the front window. You can see the interior. Looks nice. Let me bring an extra light and show you the interior. There you can see the interior there. The steering wheel is unlike any Hot Wheels you see, it's actually a separate part, and you can see the dashboard and everything is painted, and the body color is just like you see on the actual vehicle. So it has got some good details for interior too, which is Always good to have, I guess. Now coming to the rear, again some great details on the rear. You can see nice detailed tail lamp, a number plate with 82 cruiser, spare wheel again. Looks like even that has a rubber tire. Good details. Got stop lamps. You got I think 4-speed. Details around the trim on the window. Door handle is detailed. And this, I don't know if those are like a bump stop or something. You've got that. So good detail overall. Passenger side looks identical. Only difference the fuel filler here, and I think I didn't mention the sliding window in the back. It reminds me of this Land Rover Defender 110, something like that. This is how it looks from the top, and this has also got some nice detail. You can see, and I'm sure that isn't a rivet. It's something that you can open up. You can take it off. There's no rivet in the back, and unlike most of the Hot Wheels which are made in Thailand, this one is made in China. So it's very different. It might have been like outsourced, I don't know. But yeah, it looks cool, it looks nice. A lot of good details even in the interior. I'm gonna keep this aside and show you some of the accessories or the mod shop stuff that came with it. So it has got this roof dent, which again looks good. Looks like we've got a ladder, and this might be to get the side. I'm not sure what that is. Extra seat, extra set of wheels. Again, rubber tires, but they are much more like chunkier than what there is on the actual car. And different set of wheels. Looks nice. So this is what was in this box, and there's another set of like accessories, and those are like smaller accessories. So if you look closely, you've got a roof rack. Let me actually open this up so it doesn't reflect a lot. So you've got a roof rack, you've got jerry cans, a bumper, another ladder. Looks like boxes. I don't know if they're on the top or side. Obviously those are pot lamps, extra lights, jack, shovel, axe. So a lot of accessories, which I think demands a separate video, so that way I can show you everything accessorized. Yeah, so this is my first mod shop. They are definitely not cheap, but I think I want to try one to see does it work. So yeah, let me know how do you like this, and just wait. Maybe next week when I get time, I will make a video showing all the accessories on it, mod shop stuff, and because I need to learn how to do it right. I've never done it before, so we'll look at that, and I hope you will like it. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.